Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Geometry Dash not opening on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, in the bottom left corner of your screen, click the search bar. Then type Task Manager into the search field. Click on the Task Manager app that appears in the results. This will open up your system's Task Manager where you can see all running processes and applications. Once Task Manager is open, locate Steam in the list of running processes. Right-click on Steam, then select End Task from the menu. This will completely close Steam and all its background processes. After you do this, Steam will automatically launch itself again. Wait for a few seconds while it loads up completely. Once Steam is back up and running, in the upper left corner, click on Library. This will take you to your game library where all your installed and available games are displayed. Now, even though I don't have Geometry Dash in my library list, I'm going to show you the next steps. Let's pretend that I have Geometry Dash, or I am using Geometry Dash, so you can follow along with the process. Right-click on Geometry Dash in your library, then select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the Properties window that opens, look for Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle it off. Turning off the Steam overlay can actually help as a troubleshooting fix because sometimes the overlay conflicts with the game's launch process and prevents it from opening properly. Next, in the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section contains various file management options for your game. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check all your game files and replace any that are corrupted or missing, which is often the cause of games failing to launch. If Geometry Dash still doesn't work after these steps, close Steam completely. Then right-click on the Steam shortcut on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges gives it the necessary permissions to launch games without any restrictions. Once Steam opens, launch Geometry Dash and it should now open without any issues. And that's how you fix Geometry Dash not opening on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.